Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you Social Nature changed their layout. So now when you go to try products, you can now filter in Canada and the United States, or all. So if you're in Canada, there's 120 things that you can try to get for free, and then obviously I'm in the United States, so I'm gonna pop that I'm on the United States. And then this is all the stuff that you can get. Most of it's food, and some of it's like natural deodorant, like gummies. So they have just like an array of stuff that you can try. But it's gonna be a short video, so I'll show you guys, the new layout for Social Nature.